Hello from Ibiza, Andy from Crypto Deals here, and now we are going to talk about what can we expect to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum within the next hours or days. So first of all, guys, congrats if you took the trade. As I've mentioned yesterday, I said if we are not able to break above this green resistance zone, then we can enter a short position, okay? And as you can see here, the RSI also flipped, and if you entered this trade, then you should have a nice profit as of right now, okay? So as you can see here, the hourly, on the hourly time frame, the RSI went to the oversold territory, okay? This means it's for sure not wrong to take some profits, but we could of course go even lower until we reach this green support zone, and as you can see also this yellow support line, okay? So we could go even lower, but once you take some profits, you have it in your wallet, you know, and it's never wrong to take some profits. So other scenario we could get, because this is here in the oversold territory, we could get a little bounce, yeah. So if you are not in a trade, for example, you could, if you would go a little bit lower, you could enter a long position with a stop below these support zones, and then let's see what the market does after this, okay? So let's just wait. If you're in a trade, congrats, as I've mentioned yesterday. Let me show you what's going on with Ethereum. Basically the same. Also said, if you cannot break above this resistance zone, then we could enter short position, and as you can see, then if you would have done this, you would also have a nice profit. Now we even broke through this yellow support line here, and the next support is about $1,680 at this price range around, yeah. So if you are in the trade now, as you can see, we are also here somehow in the oversold territory already, so it's not wrong, for sure not wrong, to take some profits, and the rest you could just keep running the position. And if you're not in a trade, you could maybe, if you go a little bit lower, enter a long position with a stop loss below the next support line. And yes, that's how it looks right now, guys. So if you also want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.